What are you doing, Darren?
Oh man, trying to get my boots out. Look at this mess.
Yeah, nice. So what are we doing today?
We got a leak at the front of a house, client's house, and they think it's a spring. We think it's a water line coming in from the street. So I'm going to go underneath and measure exactly from the end of the house over to where that line comes in. We're going to start trenching there because it's really close. So yeah, I'm going to go underneath.
That'll be fun.
It will.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna wait up here till he's ready and see if I see any other lines that we may hit. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is set you guys up on a shovel, and I'm gonna show you setting up the sub pump, and we're gonna start digging. He just marked it and found out where it is, so I'm gonna start doing that.
Well, first off, I want to tell you that this property had been marked approximately about 3 weeks prior. So the gas and electric and even the water was still visible there. So we weren't concerned about hitting that. But this brings me up to that 3 other contractors had looked at this prior, and their solutions were to put a French drain in because they told them it was a spring. Well, the reason is apparently this area is noted for springs, but after looking at it, I told the homeowner, I believe that the water line has been marked improper, and I think this is exactly where it's leaking. I says, if I were to build this house originally, this is where the water line would be coming in, and sure enough, that's what it was. Well, you can see right here, we definitely found the water line, and it was actually a pretty easy repair. However, we called the plumber. I actually called our plumber the day prior and told him, I was like, hey, this is what the job's going on. I said, I think this is going to end up being your job. So I already had him lined up, told the homeowner. But this is how it played out. The homeowner actually believed that it was a spring, but I told him, I said, I believe it's a water line. I says, how about you let us dig it up, assess what it is, and we will go from there. I said, chances are it's just going to be me uncovering the line, finding it, and we just walk away, and then we send our plumber over here. And so he finally agreed to that, and he was a very happy guy. Even texted me a couple times afterwards, thanking us for not price gouging them and taking advantage. And he was still trying to comprehend how the other contractors are wrong. And I said, I was looking at it from a different perspective. I said, I was ignoring where those water lines were marked, and as if I would have built this house new, this is where the line would have came from. So this is pretty happy customer here.